Hey guys, welcome back to Basant's Kitchen. Today we are doing one of my favorite recipes. I'm going to show you guys how to make buffalo chicken wings, and I'm going to show you how to make blue cheese dressing from scratch. It is a simple and is a cool recipe, but 100% Basant style. I'm going to go over the basic ingredients really quick. As usual, I'm going to have everything posted in the description box. We are using Worcestershire sauce, hot sauce, olive oil, granulated garlic, black pepper, salt, onion powder, and Cajun seasoning. I'm using 5 pounds of fresh chicken wings, my favorite. Blue cheese, I'm gonna crumble it for blue cheese dressing. Granulated garlic, sugar, salt, pepper, lemon juice, mayo, butter, and sour cream. So guys, we have all the ingredients in. Let's get this awesome recipe started. This recipe is gonna go in few simple steps. First, I'm gonna marinate the chicken or season the chicken. Then we're gonna bake it. And while it's baking, we're gonna make blue cheese dressing. And once the chicken is done baking, I'm gonna flash fry it. We're gonna make the hot sauce and we're gonna serve. I'm gonna start off with the chicken first. I'm gonna put about 4 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 tablespoon of granulated garlic, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon onion powder. And this is an optional step. I like it to have a little zing, so I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon Cajun seasoning. But if you don't want it, you can skip it because it's gonna have hot sauce. And now we just mix it all in. Make sure the chicken is coated nicely. And this is like my ultimate favorite wings. They're super crowd pleasers and they're so easy to make. We make them as appetizers. I make them for dinner with rice. It's just awesome. So I let them sit for about half hour. Now we're gonna move them to the baking tray. These are gonna go in the oven 375 for about 40 minutes. So you want them cooked through and through. I'll cook them all the way. Internal temp needs to be 165. And once they're done baking, what we're gonna do is we're gonna just flash fry them. Make the outside a little crispy, and then we're gonna put them in the sauce. It's such a simple process, but the wings are just off the hook. And make sure that they're not overlapping each other. They're sitting on the tray nice and flush. Now, if you guys choose to not fry them and you just want to have them baked, you can bake them at 375 for up to an hour, 10 minutes, so they're nice and crispy. And you can just skip the frying part and you can just toss them in the sauce. Chicken is in the oven for about 40 to 45 minutes. While the chicken is baking, we're gonna start working on blue cheese dressing. It is such a simple and a cool recipe, and it's so much better than the store-bought version of it. I'm gonna start with 2 cups of mayo. I like Hellman's mayo. Half cup, half and half. 4 tablespoons sour cream. Half teaspoon black pepper. 1 teaspoon salt. Half teaspoon sugar. Half teaspoon granulated garlic. 2 tablespoons lemon juice. I'm gonna give it a quick mix. Now I'm gonna add 1 cup of crumbled blue cheese. I like to get the little slices and then I crumble it myself, but you can get pre-crumbled blue cheese. This just, I feel like, tastes better. So it's a matter of preference. I like chunky blue cheese, like I like little bigger chunks of blue cheese. So I left them a little bit bigger, but if you wanna make them smaller or crumble them a little bit more, totally up to you. So blue cheese dressing is ready. I'm gonna transfer it in the smaller bowl. I'm gonna cover it and we're gonna refrigerate it. These are done. They're baked for about 45 minutes. They're done through and through. 165 internal temp. Now we're gonna start frying them. The fryer heating at 375. And this is the cool part. I'm not gonna overcrowd my fryer. I'm gonna put 10 wings on each basket. I'm gonna drop them. We have to flash fry them because remember, they're already cooked. Look at that. I'll quickly show you 60 seconds in. Look at the beautiful color they're getting. I'm gonna let them fry. Look at that. This is literally 3 to 4 minutes of frying. And look at the gorgeous color. Now we're gonna make the buffalo sauce, toss them in, and ready to plate. In 3 cups Frank's Red Hot sauce, I'm gonna put half cup of butter. And we're gonna just let it slowly melt. And half cup of Worcestershire sauce. So I'm just gonna slowly fold it in. As the butter melts, it changes color, gets creamier, and it's not as sharp. Sauce is ready. Just gonna put the wings in the middle and I'm gonna fold them in. I'm just gonna mix them in the sauce. This is it. Recipe is complete. Now we're gonna move on to my favorite part. We're gonna start plating. This is it, guys. The recipe is complete. The wings are done and they smell and look amazing. I wish you guys could try them. This is the food I love cooking. This is one of my favorite things to cook. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe because it was super simple and equally awesome. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share, and we will get you guys next time, Basant style. Time for my favorite part. I'm gonna take it for a spin. Off the hook. The flavor. I'm gonna show you guys one more time. Look how tender it is. Wow. Basant style.